Hello everyone. So how are you? So I know it's been a while. I haven't made any video for you guys. So luckily, or you can say finally, I have finished all my first semester assignments, and now I have the time. So I will make videos for you guys. And these days I am getting a lot of requests on my Instagram, and I'm sorry if I didn't reply anyone. Most probably I try to reply everyone whenever I get the free time, and you know yeah, and they all are requesting to make a video on Aston University, and today I'm just going to the university. But that blog is something different, and this is something for different. So students are asking me lot of questions ki, they were like will I get the job or not after my masters. So this is completely depends on you, how how you take the opportunities. The very first thing, if you are coming to the UK, so you should be very you should have you should be very communicative. Yeah, you have to interact a lot of people, because what I have seen here, if you have good interactions with the people, if you have connections with the people, if you have some references, you will get the job easily. Because it's like, lots of people are coming in UK, they all are experienced, and there are some students who do not have experience like me. But still, you can't say like we can't find the job. If you have that capability, if you have that much capacity, so you can shine among all. Okay, so for that you have to little bit put extra efforts, and there are lots of internships and on, so you can find those internships. And you can see this beautiful view. So whenever I go to the college, I always take this canal route, because I just love this view. And yeah, and like Birmingham, it's like a little Venice, you can say. Whenever you go anywhere now, and you take the walking route, so you will experience this canal route, and this is very very beautiful, guys. So I always go through with this. And I also get some questions regarding part-time job. So guys, it's not like that ki you come here and you will get the part-time immediately. For that you have to wait for, I think, 15 to 20 days. You have to finish your quarantine period, and after then you have to apply for the NIN and BRP. Once you will get the BRP and NIN number, you will start applying in various jobs. And yeah, and once you apply, you will get the call. But try to apply, you have to apply every day. It's not like that you apply in 4 jobs and you will get the job. That is very you can say that person is very lucky if something happens like this. But you have to apply. Like for me, I have applied more than 80 jobs, and then I just got the job in Just Eat. So yeah, so part time, just do not worry a lot, but you have to put a lot of efforts, in order to take part time or any job. Like after your degree, what I told you, if you interact with people, if you check the opportunities every day, you will get it. Okay, so don't worry about that. And some of the students are asking ki which accommodation is better, like university accommodation or the private accommodation. So that completely depends on you guys. University accommodation is also better, and private accommodation is also better. It's not like that there is a major difference. But yes, the only difference is, like, if you are living far away from the university, so you have to go through like by a long hour walk, you can say, uh, like mostly what I do. But if you're living close to the university or inside the university, so it would be easier for you. But that completely depends on you. You have to check. Okay, and you have to see your budget and all, which one is feasible for you. So you have to go through with that. And yeah, and and regarding studies, so yes, I think like for my course, there are it is completely based on the assignments, dissertation, viva and all. But I'm not sure in other course, might be they will take also exams also. But those assignments are not like very easy. You have to put a lot of efforts, you have to do a research. A lot of research is required in order to complete those assignments and all. So do not think it is just like a simple assignments, okay? And yes, and you have to do proper citation, references, everything. So you can see this view. I literally, I enjoy this view, and this is very, very beautiful. And yeah, so now I'm going under the bridge, so might be there will be a problem in voice, so sorry for that. And so today, once I will be there, I will try to talk to some of my friends, and I will try to take on my another vlog, and try to ask some questions like how are they doing. And I also try to include some students who will be from different background, okay? And whenever you come to the UK or campus, try to take every opportunity. For me, whenever I see any opportunity, like a student, I'm a student representative also, so whenever I see any opportunity, I go with that, and I interact a lot. Like most of the module teachers know me, because I always in touch with them. Whenever I face any problem in module, or whenever I have to ask anything regarding the opportunity and all, so I interact them. You don't have to be very shy and all. If you're coming to abroad, that is the if you're coming to any country like UK, Australia, Canada, the very first thing, you should be very open up. You, whatever you want to ask with the people, and whatever you want to discuss, just discuss, just interact with them. And the more you interact, the more opportunities you will get. So this is the key. So I hope you all will you all will always motivate with my videos. And if you guys like this video, please share to the other people also. And like the previous videos, I will mention my Instagram ID, and try to text them, and whenever I free, I will reply you. And even most of the students, I have provided my the WhatsApp number, and I called them also. So we will discuss the things on call also, it's not a problem for me. And yeah, so the only thing I will say in the last, so if you really want to come to the abroad, so do not think I will get the opportunity after my studies or not. It completely depends how you will see the opportunity, or how you will how you will prepare for that opportunity. So try to be interactive, try to be happy, and try to see whenever you get any opportunity, try to give your all your efforts, and don't be disappointed. If you are disappointed, you can't achieve, because you are coming to abroad, so that's obviously you will go through a lot of things. I also like initially I went for some interviews, they have rejected me, and now finally I got my part time. I'm studying well, and I'm able to complete all my modules and all. Just try to make good friends and all, chill with them. Everything is required. If you only study, you can't enjoy your life. Chilling, enjoying, studying, do everything, okay? And be happy. So hope soon I will surely make the video on Aston University today, and I will also post it. So check that video also. That video is basically, this video is basically for the I got the lot of requests for the part-time jobs, and regarding opportunities after the course. That is why I made it. So thank you, and have a nice day.